Hello dear, my name is Alana and I'm a wedding stationery designer. This video will be about one of my favorite fall wedding color, Burgundy, which derives its name from a region in France. I'll show you some inspirational ideas for atmosphere, invitations and flowers. Let's start it! Rich, luxurious and so elegant, it's a brief description of this style. Burgundy color is perfect for any celebration and looks especially beautiful in autumn and winter months. It's an intensive deep color what will look very gracefully combined with any shades of red. By the way, monochrome compositions are in the trends of the upcoming season. Stylish palette may include bright red, dark burgundy, marsala, all rich berry shades, tender in-between tints and neutrals. Burgundy is perfect to combine with gold. To get more sophisticated bride mood, add some golden details like an accent. And don't forget about accessories, invitations, paper goods and even wedding favors. It's simple to do and all this looks great. For the bride's bouquet and the decorations, perfectly use red, burgundy and creamy roses, wine dahlias, maroon ranunculuses, tender anemones, astile, amaranthus and orchid flowers. Seeded eucalyptus leaves, succulents and seasonal florals like blackberry branches will be a great addition to compositions. I know it's important for every bride that everything is perfect. A wedding invitation is the first thing that falls into the hands of your guests and what they will be guided by. Therefore, special attention should be paid to the choice of wedding stationery. That's why I want to show you this stylish leather-cut wedding invitation from the Eelegant Wedding Invites, which is really very beautiful. All cards and cover made of designer carton and gracefully decorated with stylish golden glitter details like belt on the outside and golden glitter background inside. You can see that even small details are cut perfectly precisely. I also picked up more examples of combining burgundy and gold at a wedding. For example, wedding cakes, flatware, candles. It's true, gold details fitted on every wedding. I hope they inspire you as much as I did. Wish you to find ideal burgundy palette which will emphasize the features of your wedding day. Also, you can find links to the invitations that I mentioned in the video to save your time. Thank you for watching!